guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Megan Teacher Paulane, and today I will be discussing about the geography of the Philippines. To understand this topic, stay tuned. Hey guys, thank you for visiting this channel. Our topic for today is all about the geography of the Philippines. The Philippines, officially called the Republic of the Philippines, is an island nation located in the Western Pacific Ocean in Southeast Asia between the Philippine Sea and the South China Sea. The country is an archipelago made up of 7,641 islands and is near the countries of Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia. As of 2018, the Philippines had a population of roughly 108 million people and was the 13th most populous country in the world. Fast facts, the Philippines. Official name, Republic of the Philippines. Capital, Manila. Population, roughly 108 million. Official languages, Filipino and English. Currency, Philippine pesos. Form of government, Presidential Republic. Climate, tropical marine, northeast monsoon, November to April, southwest monsoon, May to October. Total area, 115,831 square miles or 300,000 square kilometers. Highest point, Mount Apo, 9,692 feet or 2,954 meters. Lowest point, Philippine Sea, 0 feet or 0 meters. The Philippine archipelago lies in Southeast Asia in a position that has led to its becoming a cultural crossroads, a place where Malays, Chinese, Spaniards, Americans, and others have interacted to forge that unique cultural and racial blend known to the world as Filipino. The archipelago numbers some 7,641 islands, and the nation claims an exclusive economic zone of 200 nautical miles from its shores. The Philippines occupies an area that stretches for 1,850 kilometers from about the 5th to the 20th parallels north latitude. The total land area is almost 300,000 square kilometers. Only approximately 1,000 of its islands are populated, and fewer than one half of these are larger than 2.5 square kilometers. 11 islands make up 94% of the Philippine landmass, and two of these, Luzon and Mindanao, measure 105,000 and 95,000 square kilometers respectively. They, together with the cluster of the Visayan Islands that separate them, represent the three principal regions of the archipelago that are identified by the three stars on the Philippine flag. Topographically, the Philippines is broken up by the sea, which gives it one of the longest coastlines of any nation in the world. Most Filipinos live on or near the coast, where they can easily supplement their diet from approximately 2,000 species of fish. Off the coast of eastern Mindanao is the Philippine Trough, which descends to a depth of 10,430 meters. The Philippines is part of a Western Pacific Arc system that is characterized by active volcanoes. Among the most notable peaks are Mount Mayon near Legazpi, Taal Volcano south of Manila, and Mount Apo on Mindanao. All the Philippines islands are prone to earthquakes. The northern Luzon highlands or Cordillera Central rise to between 2,500 and 2,750 meters, and together with the Sierra Madre in the northeastern portion of Luzon and the mountains of Mindanao, boast rainforests that provide refuge for numerous upland tribal groups. The rainforest offer prime habitat for more than 500 species of birds, including the Philippine eagle or monkey-eating eagle, some 800 species of orchids, and some 8,500 species of flowering plants. The country's most extensive river systems are the Paulane, Rio Grande, which flows into the Mindanao River, the Agusan in Mindanao, which flows north into the Mindanao Sea, the Cagayan in northern Luzon, and the Pampanga, which flows south from East Central Luzon into Manila Bay. Laguna de Bay, southeast of Manila Bay, is the largest freshwater lake in the Philippines. Several rivers have been harnessed for hydroelectric power. The climate. The Philippines has a tropical marine climate dominated by a rainy season and a dry season. The summer monsoon brings heavy rains to most of the archipelago from May to October, whereas the winter monsoon brings cooler and drier air from December to February. Manila and most of the lowland areas are hot and dusty from March to May. Even at this, however, temperatures rarely rise above 37 degrees Celsius. Mean annual sea level temperatures rarely fall below 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall measures as much as 5,000 millimeters in the mountainous east coast section of the country, but less than 1,000 millimeters in some of the sheltered valleys. Monsoon rains, although hard and drenching, are not normally associated with high winds and waves. But the Philippines does sit astride the typhoon belt, and it suffers an annual onslaught of dangerous storms from July through October. These are especially hazardous for northern and eastern Luzon and the Bicol and eastern Visayas regions. But Manila gets devastated periodically as well. In the last decade, the Philippines has suffered severely from natural disasters. In 1990 alone, Central Luzon was hit by both a drought, which sharply curtailed hydroelectric power, and by a typhoon that flooded practically all of Manila's streets. Still more damaging was an earthquake that devastated a wide area in Luzon, including Baguio and other northern areas. The city of Cebu and nearby areas were struck by a typhoon that killed more than 100 people, sank vessels, destroyed part of the sugar crop, and cut off water and electricity for several days. Building construction is undertaken with natural disasters in mind. Most rural housing has consisted of nipa huts that are easily damaged but are inexpensive and easy to replace. Most urban buildings are steel and concrete structures designed, not always successfully, to resist both typhoons and earthquakes. Damage is still significant, however, and many people are displaced each year by typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural disasters. In 1987, alone, the Department of Social Welfare and Development helped 2.4 million victims of natural disasters. Thank you for listening. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!